How do you grow your YouTube channel with YouTube ads? That's a question I get asked a lot. And a lot of you guys know me, Aleric, as the YouTube ads expert. I've helped our clients generate multiple 8 figures in sales using YouTube video ads. But what you may not know is my background is actually in building up an organic YouTube channel. I actually created AppFind, a YouTube channel with over 450,000 subscribers. I actually created that 11 years ago, back in 2009, when YouTube was a totally different platform, reviewing apps, tech tutorials, things like that. I have a small team that manages it now, and obviously my main focus is YouTube ads. But what a lot of people don't know is, yes, I grew a lot of that organically, but I also put some fuel on the fire using YouTube video ads. And we've helped numerous other clients grow their channels using YouTube ads. You know, Abby grew her channel from just a few thousand subscribers to over 33,000 in 8 months just by running a couple of simple $20 a day YouTube subscriber ads. We also have worked with big name musicians, scaling their channel to multiple millions of subscribers. And it is just a lot of incredibly valuable exposure you can get by growing your channel with YouTube ads. So you can essentially build that brand long term. So that's what we're going to be covering in this video. I'm going to play a clip from a recent AMA podcast that I did where I talked about exactly how you can use YouTube ads for your channel. So let's dive into it. So the first one that we have is, how do you grow a YouTube channel with video discovery ads, strategy like 3D targeting? So that's a great question. What you want to do in order to grow a YouTube channel is a little bit different than running these in-stream ads. The in-stream ads are great for direct conversions, right? So you're basically, an in-stream ad is those standard ads that you think about on YouTube. You've got a video on YouTube and you're running an ad in front of that video, essentially hijacking that traffic, putting it into your own funnel. Obviously that's where you can optimize for conversions. You can get people to sign up for a webinar, VSL, it could be a PDF, a lead magnet, whatever it is, that's getting people to opt in. But if you're trying to grow your YouTube channel, it's a little bit different. For growing your YouTube channel, I recommend, and as this person's mentioning, I recommend these discovery ads. Now, what's a discovery ad? So these ads are a little bit different than the ads that appear in front of videos. These actually appear in search results, in the YouTube mobile feed, and alongside videos in the related videos as a sponsored, as an ad, related video. So essentially what you can do is you could take this video and it simulates naturally finding a video on YouTube. So now if somebody searched something into the YouTube search bar, right? Let's say they're looking up, and we've done this with a lot of people, especially in the Amazon space, e-com space, kind of teaching, Amazon and e-com. If somebody's looking up, how to grow my Amazon store, now obviously you have the collection of videos that normally pop up, whatever's ranked on YouTube, but at the top, you have this ad. And you guys have probably seen this, or you might not have even seen it because it's a little bit hard to spot and people feel like they're naturally finding a video. So let's say you have that video. Let's say you're teaching people about Amazon or e-com or whatever. And this is just an example. You can apply this to your own business. You now have this video that says, how to scale your e-com brand, the complete guide. And then you basically have a little thumbnail that's optimized, and people click on that. And then from there, you actually get to your YouTube watch page where they watch a video as normal. So this is a little bit different. This isn't a video that appears in front of another video. This is actually running your YouTube video that you've uploaded on YouTube as an ad. So people click on it and then go to your video. Now what this does is it also helps the algorithm with that particular video, because now you have more watch time, more people are watching it, right? It's going to help bump that up. But also at the same time, you're getting people to kind of stumble upon your content, right? They click the button, or they click the video and headline, and then they go to that video. And what they're going to be able to do is now they start watching, and they're going to get recommended more videos of yours, or they're going to subscribe, and that's obviously your goal of growing your channel. Or they're going to click the links in the description. So they're essentially going down the rabbit hole, and the more videos you get somebody to watch, the more other videos will be organically served to them on YouTube. So that's how you really create that loop and grow a channel. obviously, we've helped a variety of clients with this, from business owners. We're also doing this with our own channel, Ad Outreach. But I also use this with my original YouTube channel that I built up, AppFind, which became the largest app review channel on YouTube. 450,000 subscribers. I've got a small team of people that run that now, and we use discovery as a big way to grow that channel to that size. To the point that that channel is still a great source of essentially passive income for myself. And so you could do the same thing to grow your own channel by running these discovery ads. All right, I hope you found this video valuable on how you can use YouTube ads to grow your channel. Remember, YouTube ads are incredibly valuable to get consistent conversions, leads, and sales. But if you're looking to grow your brand and create a lifelong asset that your business can use, a YouTube channel is a great way to do that because you're also growing your organic reach. So that's what I wanted to show you how to do in this video. Remember, if you guys are interested in more YouTube ads, you can check out the links below to our webinar, to our free trainings, and our Facebook group where we have a variety of different trainings in there as well. Obviously, you can check out the videos that we have on this channel. And when you're ready, you can go to adoutreach.com/apply to schedule a time to speak with our team about YouTube ads for your own business. I'll see you guys in the next video.